Good morning, guys. Morning this Friday morning, the 16th of January 2026. And as you know, I'm here, Oluwatosin Adeyanju, dropping my analysis on gold for the London session. And we can see that today we don't have any high impact news, but there are some low impact events. And I don't particularly deem them worthy of too much attention. So I'm going to just leave that the way it is. I'm going forward to the chart. We have the XAUUSD chart here, and this will be the first time in a while that I'm drawing a resistance for gold, or perhaps a supply zone. So we see that what I preempted for yesterday actually is looking like what is happening today. Expecting rejection at the day opening price. Maybe we'll reach there. But we'll see that this morning we also have a value shift lower. This is the second day where we have value shifting lower, and also value has shifted lower for the session for the day, and we had the value shift lower. Not just that, we had the day opening price quickly retested even before the pre-market appraise, before the session hours, for London and New York, before London. So we do have a case of a market which has shifted a little bit bearish for now, and also we are below the weekly anchored viewer right here, and I did draw a resistance around the day opening price, mostly a zone around 46.15 to 46.17, and also I drew a support here, not the most ideal, but this is what I found. 46.04 to 46.06 should be support level, and that coincides with the weekly anchored viewer. You can see that right now we are having a side candle market turnaround, because this is what happened. We rallied 6:30 candle, 7 o'clock we had an inside candle, and now I expected that would find some support at the low here of the inside candle. But that does not seem to be the case right now, as we have price dumping. But still on gold, I do not want to short gold. I don't think there will be so much in terms of volatility this morning, as the US dollars is gaining a lot. And money, once I realize that money never leaves the market, it just shifts from one asset to another. So I believe the USD and other asset related, like the stocks and the likes, are the one getting all the money right now. But I don't trade them, mostly because my profile account does not allow me to trade the indices, just currencies and meta. And I prefer gold. Gold is fast. So that is it for this morning. I'm still biased as a buy on gold. Maybe I'll look for, if you have support somewhere, I don't know right now. Ideally, it should be above the weekly anchored viewer, but I'll be willing to take it perhaps to a smaller position from beneath. I want to try to get above the weekly anchored viewer. That would be my trade idea for the day. My max target be this resistance. I'm not willing to go anywhere with that resistance, and I do have decent positions I could take on. For me to short gold, like I've been saying, you have to really be below the previous day low for me to consider a short on gold. The perhaps another scenario would be if we fall below this swing low right here. Maybe, then only maybe, can I consider even shorting gold for this session. If not that, I don't think I'll consider shorting gold. If only I just have to scalp against the most recent trend for a buy, that I will do. And concerning yesterday, I did execute. It was actually 3, but you see my in my history it says 2. And I posted the execution for this yesterday. But for this, I did not post because it was later in the New York session. I'm just buying it a little bit. Looking to see more of that. Previous day, the opening price retest somewhere around here. But we do have a spike. But later came back and took me out at a break even. I don't think I traded. I really sure this can. I don't know. But what I really wanted to say is that something happened to me yesterday that I've never witnessed before. And that can be viewed in my journal. Let's open the journal for yesterday. I set a buy stop order and it did not execute for reasons I've never seen it before. But let me know, guys, if you have ever witnessed that before, where you set a limit order and it was priced with the allocation, but it was not triggered. And this is what I'm talking about. The trade I tried taking by 1406 years. You can see buy stop 0.02 is USD at 45.91.84, and it says order by stop done. But for some reasons, I did not even get the order at all. If you look at my history here, you see that I didn't get the order, and the trade would have been profitable because I was looking for a quick scalp against the trend just to reach the epoch yesterday, something around 7 price point like this was what I was looking for. If I had been profitable, I would have been in KYC and maybe be able to withdraw it right now, but that is not the case. I have to go again today. It did pain me a little bit, but that is trading for us. So that is just putting that out. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys in the afternoon. Good luck and good trade.